Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to build a professional invoice template in Notion, using Notion's free built-in templates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to streamline your invoice creation process and make your business communications not just faster, but also more polished and personalized. So whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone looking to organize your work better, stick around. This guide will get you up and running in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to take advantage of Notion's free invoice template. These templates are designed to save you time and effort while still giving your invoices that clean, professional look. Now here, why starting with a template matters. Instead of building everything from scratch, you get a layout that's already optimized for clarity and organization. It's like moving into a fully furnished office. You're ready to work right away, but you can rearrange things however you like. Okay, next up, locating the template. At the top left corner of your Notion workspace, you'll see a little drop-down menu called More Options. You might have passed by it 100 times, but today it's our shortcut. Click on that drop-down, and among the options, you'll notice one called Browse Templates. Give that a click. Notion will instantly open a huge gallery of ready-made templates for all sorts of tasks. Now, instead of scrolling endlessly, let's use that search bar. Type in invoice. You'll see a selection of invoice templates pop up, each with its own design style and features. Take a moment to scan through and pick the one that suits your business needs the best. Maybe you prefer something minimal, or you want a more detailed template that lets you track payments and client information. It's okay if you spend a minute choosing. This is about finding something comfortable for you. Once you've made your choice, simply click on the template you want, then hit Add. Notion will automatically add the invoice template to your current workspace. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of pages open. Don't worry, it'll show up soon. Now, with the template open, you'll notice several pre-filled sections. Things like date, client name, items or services provided, and payment totals. These are the essentials for any invoice, and Notion has set them up to help you stay organized and look professional. All you have to do is fill in your own information. Type in your credentials, add your company's logo or a personal touch, and list out the services or products you provided. You can even link to relevant projects or drop in attachments if your client needs additional documentation. But here's the best part, you're not stuck with the template's default style forever. Notion makes it super simple to customize. Want to change the color scheme or add extra fields? Just click and edit or use drag and drop to move sections around. Think of it like molding clay, flexible, tailored to fit your business identity, and always professional. And really, that's it. You've just set up a fast, repeatable invoice system right within Notion. From now on, sending invoices can be as easy as duplicating the template and updating the details for each client. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I check them regularly and would love to help you out. And if you want more tutorials on Notion or other productivity tools, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing in Notion.